Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to discuss that how you can adjust your camera modes, like for you're gonna record on a 4K resolution or HD resolution, or in 30 fps, 60 fps, or 120 fps. So in my case I have iPhone 16 Pro Max, so let's go to the camera, and under camera you need to go to your video section, and if you see on the right corner, top right corner, there are options of HD and 60. The HD means that your camera will record an HD video, and 60 means it will record on 60 fps. So by tapping on 60, you see that it will go to 120 Hz or 120 fps, and by tapping on HD, it means that our camera is gonna record 4K video on 120 fps. So that's how you can change to 24, you can change to 30, you can change to 60, and you can make it 120 on 4K. And for HD you can do for 30, 60 and 120. So that's how you can actually change your camera preferences or for recording. I hope this video help out in setting your transitions of recording, video recording, and make your experience better. Until next video, bye bye.